Hello, my name is Pin Avatar. I talk like her, I look like her. Her face is my face, and her voice is my voice. I know you would like to create something like this. Please, I would like you to hold your Bible and hold your book with you so that she will teach you on how to make an avatar just like me. And I know you will thank us later. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Wow, that was my avatar that just talked now. I believe you love what you just see. So today I'll be training you on how to create a content just like this one. I'll take you step by step on how to create it. So today we are using just one app. Yeah, just one app. And the app is called DupDub. The app is a wonderful and lovely app. I so much love the app ever since I discovered it. So I decided to share my experience with you because I know you will love it too. There are a lot of other things to do with the app, but today we'll concentrate on how to make your picture talk, or call it your avatar to talk just like you with your own face as well. Yes. So this training today is good for people who don't want to expose themselves to the world, expose themselves to the internet. Maybe you're a shy type, you don't want to face camera always. You can always use your lookalike. You can create your own avatar to do that for you. You can use your face and it can talk for you. That's the power of AI. We're in the world of AI now, and everything is becoming so simple and so easy. Please stay with us. If you have not followed us, please do well to do that and subscribe as well. Give us a thumbs up whilst this program is going on now. All right, let's head over to the program. Stay with us.
All right, for us to continue, we are using the DupDub app. You touch on it. This platform, you allow it to load, and it brings out this environment for you. This environment is how the DupDub log app looks like. And remember, I've shown you how to download and install this app. The link is there in the comment section, and it's there and also in the description box too. You can always get it from there and continue to create beautiful and wonderful content. Okay, so for us to continue to know how to create our avatar to look like us, speak like yourself, and have your face as well. So what you will go to here now, inside this place, the right styles, you scroll here, you scroll this place, you see where the right presenter. Okay, let's look at the presenters and see what we have there. These are different presenters, okay, with different region and different styles. Okay, but for the purpose of this content today, we are looking at this lady. I think I like this one. Let's pick this. Let's see how she is. You see how she talk? You see that? Now her voice and my voice are not the same, right? And even her face. But you see how I will transform this her voice and her face to myself. Okay, so let's move ahead by clicking try now. All right, this try now is reminding me that I still have unfinished job. Okay, for you that don't have finished job, you just bring it up. But for me, I will need to cancel this and start from beginning. All right, this is the beautiful lady that time. All right, you can see the face is waiting for us to change the face. Now it's showing upload your selfie. Sorry, then we'll touch the selfie. It will take us to our photo gallery. Okay, this is my photo gallery. I look for my own photo. Okay, yeah, this is my photo. I picked this one. Now you allow them to upload. It's uploading your own photo, remember, so just be patient while you allow it to upload. Once it's done, it will bring out your own photo and that beautiful lady's photo. Okay, now do you see that? Can you see that lady's face have changed? That avatar have changed to my own face. This is my face. You see how beautiful I'm looking? All right, so the next thing it will go here is we'll move to next. Okay, on this next page now is telling us to add your audio. So this is where we'll change the voice of that avatar to our own voice. Remember, we have done the first step by changing the face. Now the second one is to change the voice. So what do? Touch the add an audio. Yeah, this is add an audio session. Now we have about 4 different type of audio that we can add to this program that we can add to make our avatar to talk. The first one is AI voiceover, which means you can generate another person's voice to use. It can be a female, can be a male, can be any type, can be any country type, even different languages. If you want them to speak in China, they will do that for you. Okay. The next one is record. This for the purpose of this particular content, what we are using on this audio session now is record. This is the one we are using. This record will enable us change the avatar's voice to your own voice, just like my own now. Okay, if anything we say in this record is what will appear on the avatar. All right, the next one is audio file. This audio file is, let's assume you have an audio you already saved in your files. Okay, if you touch there, it will prompt you to load it. Then you can use it for the avatar as well. The last one here is video file. Maybe there's a video you want to use. You want your avatar to talk like what they said in that video. Okay, you can still use them. But for this purpose, what we are using now is record. So we touch the record. And it's telling us that please record less than 3 minutes, meaning that you cannot record 3 minutes 1 second. They will not allow it. So the maximum minutes we are allowed to record is 3 minutes. But for this creation now, we are not going to be use up to 3 minutes, just some seconds that we use, because we are teaching you how to do it. Okay, so the next thing to do is to touch this blue button. Okay, you touch it. Hello friends, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your wonderful encouragement on our page. We really appreciate you. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your likes and all the shares. God bless you so much. Thank you. Remember to stay good and stay calm always. Bye. When you click the blue button again, so you see now we just recorded a little 29-second record. Okay, it's showing us what we just did. Here it's asking us, do we need to go back, or do you want to restart, or do you want to preview? Please, before you click this done button, preview to hear what you just recorded, if it's okay for you or not. So for us now, we click on the preview. So after we click done, it will bring us to this place now. Okay, so this is where you can see our audio is there. The mouth is waiting to talk. So the next thing we'll do is we'll touch on the make talking photo. When you touch this make talking photo, you will allow it to load and perform all the magic. You know, I tell you, this app is so exciting. It's so wonderful. So when you come out here, this is what it will show you here. Processing, meaning that it's processing the video that you just want to create with the AI. So as it's processing like this, you need to allow it for some time, give it some time. It takes around 10 minutes to process a 1-minute clip. But since our minute is not up to a minute, we have just 22 seconds here. So it will be done before 10 minutes, okay? When it's done like this, it will show you ready. If you look down here, you will see these ones that are showing ready. They are my previous work that are done. So as it's processing, just give it some time. It will be done. Once it's done, you are good to go. So let's wait till it's done. All right, our job is ready. It's showing ready. So the next thing to do is to download the file. If I touch the download button, you're asking you, what do you want to download? Do you want to download a video or a photo? What we need is a video. So we'll touch the video and you press done. So you see now, it's downloading the video for you. Once it's done, it will show you video downloaded successfully. Now, the next question is, where did your video go to? Your video is right there in your video files. If you go to your files, you will see your video there. Okay, when you come to your files, that's where you see your video. Now, look at video here. It's right there in our file. So let's touch it and see what happened. Thank you for your wonderful encouragement on our page. We really appreciate you. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your likes and all the shares. God bless you so much. Thank you. Remember to stay good much and stay calm always. Bye.
All right, welcome. I believe you love what you just saw now. You see how we created the avatar and make it look like me and talk like me as well. It's so simple to do, and I know you can also do it. Please don't forget to send any question you have regarding this program today, any question you have regarding this training today. If you have any difficulty along the line, please send us your comments so that we'll respond to you as soon as possible. Okay? Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye.